further.
Let's see. Little baby steps. Right there looks good to me. Does that feel like the edge of a cliff?
It does. Hold.
Yeah. Get the camera out for me. It's pretty sick, isn't it?
Woo!
Nice, bro. How you feeling?
Nervous.
Yeah? Feels good though, doesn't it?
Feels good.
All right, brother. Are you ready to base jump?
Yes.
All right, join me on 3, 5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
1.
1. Yeah, buddy. Perfect.
Ah,
that was
rush.
sick, dude.
So sick.
Yeah, buddy. How good is that?
Oh, bro. That's the craziest feeling I've ever felt.
Yeah. Awesome, isn't it?
Oh, it's so sick. Dang.
Yeah, man.
Let's
Nothing
go.
like that.
No.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, there's nothing like base jumping, dude.
But that rush of like the initial jump, I mean, it's, I've never felt that.
Yeah, man. And you made that super easy. That was textbook.
Sweet. Dang, man.
Not the worst place to be flying around, nah.
Not at all. Look at that. So 2,000 jumps?
Yeah, man.
That's pretty epic, bro.
Yeah. Life is good.
Boys getting ready to jump?
Yeah, he just went. He just did a flip. Oh, he's open.
So sick. Are you jumping almost every day?
Yeah, dude. Especially when now that it's all nice out and stuff. We just wake up, go for a jump, whether I'm working or not.
So sick. Pretty good life, man.
Yeah, it's dope.
We're hitting by the truck, kind of?
We're gonna hit the island. They're gonna come pick us up.
Sick.
Island life, bro.
Let's go.
All right, my man, let's go ahead and get those feet up.
Let's go. Sick.
Easy as that.
Easy as that. What a ride, bro. Thank you.
Give me some.
Sick, bro. Thank you.